Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, I'm going to take the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, and I'm just going to clean my dashboard and my navigational screen. So what we're going to do is simply spray the product directly onto the surface, and we're going to gently wipe to clean using a dry microfiber towel. And if needed, we're going to grab another microfiber towel to remove the excess product and achieve a natural finish. What I really like as well is that the Total Interior Cleaner contains UV blockers and protectants to shield against harsh UV rays that can cause materials to fade, discolor, and crack. For the navigation screen and other electronics, it is recommended that you spray the product directly on the microfiber towel, then rub it in, and then you can wipe it away with another dry microfiber towel. I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.